We've been getting phone calls about the changes with the DUI law, and there are a couple of major changes that the legislature has passed. They are going to take effect on January 1. So they have not taken effect yet, and so we don't really know exactly how the courts are going to act and how they're going to proceed with DUI cases, but we do know a couple things. Number one is, for a first offense DUI, you may not be entitled to a jury trial. If the court feels that the bench trial is the way to go, then that's what you're going to get for a first offense DUI. If you're convicted of a first offense DUI, you're not looking at a 12-month interlock device requirement. They're actually going to reduce it to 6 months. And they have a new program that will allow for home detention across the board. Right now, it's basically decided jurisdiction by jurisdiction. As of January 1, home detention will be available to people, and there still are some questions about how exactly they're going to go about and set that up, and how exactly it's going to be basically moderated, who's going to be eligible and who won't. We don't know the details, but we do know that in general people are going to be given longer home detention sentences than they were under the current scheme. So that's the good news. If you have any questions about a DUI case in Arizona, feel free to give us a call. 602-989-5000 is our number. And just bear in mind that everything that you're hearing about DUI changes and the new law is taking effect, it's not how it is now. And so if you are sentenced now and if you are reporting to jail in a week, then all these new changes are basically going to take effect as of January 1. Obviously, as we move closer to December, that's something we're going to be informing our clients of, that it may not be a good idea to take a plea agreement or to try and resolve the case in November or December, because there are going to be some changes which may help them. On the other hand, if it's a case where we want to get in front of a jury for a first offense DUI, we want to resolve that case in November or December as quickly as possible so that we don't lose our right to a jury trial. Obviously, there are going to be some appeals and there's going to be some fleshing out of how these details are going to work. But if you are facing a DUI case, it's probably a good idea to speak with an attorney now so that you can understand how is this going to work, how it will affect you, how will the new changes in the law affect your particular case. So again, 602-989-5000 is our number, and thanks so much.